Yo, what's up, my people? So here we got this AC compressor that we're going to be replacing. Here's the new part. Seals look decent, but we're going to replace them anyways, both sides. We're going to disconnect this first hose right here that runs to the lower, then that top one, and we'll start from there. But this is a Nissan 4.0 liter engine. Not too shabby, but there's this thing called black liquid death. So let me get you an idea. See that color? Greenish. That's like a little bit of dye, but Freon. And so this bottom one is black liquid death. So that's what we call black liquid death. It's the internals of the AC compressor have failed, started getting real contaminated with the tiny little micro metal shavings. So we gotta go ahead and clean out the whole system. But yeah, there you have it right there. That's black liquid death.